Today's Pivot Minute is about letter D on the black and white sticker. After the deal and before starting the Charleston, if you have two consecutive numbers in the same suit, consider the following hands. Now, with the common wisdom with a consecutive run, is to save the numbers beforehand and to pick up the flowers for either CR6 or CR7A. But what most people overlook is that with a couple of jokers, they would be able to pivot to Q3 if they have opposite dragons. So during the Charleston, if you can, also save opposite dragons in case you want to go to Q3 with these two consecutive numbers. In summary, with two consecutive numbers, save the numbers that precede it in either the same suit or the opposite suit. Save flowers and save opposite dragons. This is Bernie Schrager. May the jokers be with you, unless we're at the same table.